Takademida. Ta takademida. Ta takademida.
Tissue saris are one of the most delicate and feminine forms of saris, and they are woven with extremely fine silk threads, and hence they give the look and the texture of a tissue paper. And tissue saris are very famous and one of the most coveted saris in the sari category. Hi, hello, namaskaram. This is Varshita. Welcome to Manam. In today's Manam Saris episode, we will be looking at the Kora tissue saris.
Takademida. Ta takademida. Ta takademida. Takitada. Ta takitadenada.
Starting off with our first shade, this lovely sea green color sari. And as you can see on the body, it has zari prints all over it, zari weaving. It's got floral zari weaving all over the body, and it also has a contrasting double-sided blue color border with grand zari work on both the sides. Now for the pallu, we have a contrasting blue color pallu with thread weaving floral patterns all over it. Now for the blouse, we have a brocade blouse in the same shade of green, and it also has a double-sided contrasting blue color border. And this sari is priced at Rs 2,450 only. Now for the next shade, we have this lovely pink color sari. It's a pink tissue sari. It looks very grand as well. Perfect for all traditional occasions. And on the body, as you can see, it's got a double shaded, so it's got pink and gold. And it also has a double-sided contrasting dark pink border with golden zari buttas on both the sides. And on the body, it has the same golden zari buttas as well. And moving on to the pallu, we have a contrasting green color pallu, as you can see, and it's a very grand pallu with zari work on it. Now for the blouse, this is a brocade blouse, a contrasting green color, and it also has a double-sided contrasting red color border with golden zari work all over it. And this sari is priced at Rs 2,250 only. Now moving on to the next sari, this lovely sky blue color sari, and it's got floral prints all over the body. So moving on, it's got floral prints of different shades in zari all over the body, and it also has a very grand zari on the borders as well, a contrasting dark blue color. Now for the pallu, it's a dark blue contrasting pallu, and it also has zari borders at the bottom. Now for the blouse, we have a blue blouse and a double-sided darker blue color border, and it also has brocade patterns all over the blouse. And this sari is priced at Rs 2,450 only. Moving on to the next shade, this lovely peach with gold color combination, a very lovely combination, and this is a peach pink shade. Now on the body, as you can see, it's got floral buttas and zari work all over the body, and it also has a double-sided contrasting gold color border with grand zari work on both the sides. And as you can see, the body also has self designs all over it. Now for the pallu, we have a silver and pink combination pallu, and it also has some golden zari buttas on it, and it comes with a broad golden zari border at the bottom. Now this is a brocade blouse, and it has a double-sided contrasting gold color border, and contrasting to the body, this blouse is very grand as well. And this sari is priced at Rs 2,450 only. Moving on to our next shade, this mehendi green with pink combination. And on the body, as you can see, it's got hexagon patterns all over the body. So it's got hexagon patterns all over the body, and it comes with a double-sided contrasting pink color border with zari on both the sides. And it also has circular buttas all over the body. Now for the pallu, we have a completely contrasting silver zari pallu, and it also has golden zari buttas on it. Now for the blouse, this is a brocade blouse with a double-sided zari border, and this sari is also priced at Rs 2,450 only. The next shade is this bright yellow color sari. It's got bright yellow with pink as borders. Yes, and as you can see on the body, it has pink color buttas all over the body, and it's also got grand zari work on the body and on the double-sided contrasting borders as well. Now for the pallu, we have golden and silver zari on it, and we also have some buttas on the pallu as well. Now for the blouse, we have a contrasting brocade blouse with a contrasting pink color border on both the sides, and this sari is perfect for all wedding occasions, and it is budget friendly as well, and it is priced at Rs 2,450 only. The next shade is this lovely peach with yellow combination. It's got peach color all over the body, and this is a Kora tissue sari. Now on the body, as you can see, it's got circular patterns on it, and it also has a double-sided contrasting bright yellow borders which it's got zari work on both the sides of the border. Now for the pallu, we also have golden and silver zari on it. Now this is a peach brocade blouse with contrasting yellow borders just like the body, and this sari is also priced at rupees 2,450 only. Now for the last shade, we have this lovely parrot green color sari, and it's got golden borders as well with golden zari on it. Now on the body, as you can see, it's got floral patterns on the body, big floral buttas on the body in zari, and it's also got grand golden zari on both the sides of the borders. Just like the other saris that we saw, this pallu also has golden and silver zari on it. Now this is a brocade blouse, and it has a contrasting golden color border, and this sari is priced at rupees 2,450 only. If you like any of the saris that we have showcased today, kindly take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp at 7824834404. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks for daily updates. Our new and trendy festive collections are also available on the website at manamchennai.com, so don't forget to check it out. Manam Silks presents semi-katan silk sarees tomorrow at 11:30 AM on our YouTube channel. Don't miss out on our festive collections.